It is said that we spend the first half of our lives acquiring stuff and the second half of our lives trying to get rid of that stuff. So why not take this stay-at-home opportunity to declutter? So what is clutter? Clutter is items that you no longer like, things that you no longer use, things that you just have too much of, things that are disorganized, and all that broken stuff that we hold on to. Clutter is stuff. So where does it come from? Well, your environment gets cluttered because your mind gets cluttered. And your mind gets cluttered because your environment gets cluttered. Your thoughts create your reality, and your reality creates your thoughts. Basically, we like stuff. So how do you get started? The first thing to do is to pick a space. Maybe it's a room, a cupboard, a closet, a drawer, or just a tabletop. If you start small, you'll create a precedent of success. In order to get started, you need 3 boxes or 3 bags. The first you are going to label throw away, the second give away, and the third stow away. Then you're going to take each item out of the area and ask yourself questions about it and place it in the appropriate box or bag until the space is empty. Those questions are: do I love it? Do I need it? Does it support who I am right now? Are there positive or negative thoughts, memories, or emotions that I associate with it? Does it need to be fixed or repaired, and am I willing to do that now? If it is time to let it go, when and where is it going? So when you are finished and the space is empty, the first thing to do is to put the throwaways in the trash immediately. Do not hesitate with that. Prepare and label the giveaways to go to their new home, to family or friends or charity, and make sure that they leave the space within 1 week. Then stow away the items you're keeping to their proper places with love and gratitude. And now that the space is empty and tidy, congratulations. Now watch for the helpful people, opportunities and things that flow into your life because you have let go of the old and made room for the new. And now the time is ready to move on to the second area.